Good evening, tutor and classmates. My name is Eduardo Lopez, a student of Licenciatura en Inglés como Lengua Extranjera in the UNAD. The name of this course is Language Forms and Functions, and in this opportunity, I'm going to be explaining to you guys back formations. As a definition, we have that is a word that is formed from an existing word which looks as though it is a derivative, typically by removal of a suffix. We can say that speakers derive a morphologically simple word from a form which they analyze on the basis of derivational and inflectional patterns existing in English as a morphologically complex word. For example, by analogy with the very common derivational pattern in English, in which the adjective suffix er in this case is added to a verb to produce a noun. And since the nouns predate the verbs in these cases, we say that the verbs are back-formed. Sorry. So here we have back formation versus derivation, in which back formation is thus the opposite of derivation. Derivation being the word formation process in which a derivational affix attaches to the base form of a word to create a new word. Without knowledge of the history of an individual word, it is usually impossible to know whether related forms result from derivation or back formation. In some examples of back formations, we have here the adjective suffix er is added to a verb to produce a noun, as in sing, singer, work, worker, or buy, buyer. Verbs have been formed from the following nouns by the removal of an adjective suffix, as in examples like sightseer, sightsee, babysitter, babysit, typewriter, typewrite. And since the nouns predate the verbs in these cases, we say that the verbs are back-formed. In many cases of back formation, a presumed affix is formed, which is in fact not truly an affix, as in the following words where the or, ar, and er are not the adjective suffix but part of the root, as in examples like orator, orate, lecture, lech, peddler, pedal, escalator, escalate, editor, edit, sculpture, sculpt. These mistakes are back formation, and some of them are colloquial or marginal, while others are fully accepted. Other examples are the following, where a presumed derivational suffix has been removed, as in examples like the endings I-O-N, intuition, intuit, resurrection, resurrect, emotion, emote, transcription, transcript, orientation, orientate, or in endings as IVE, sedative, sedate, ending AL, paramedical, paramedic, ending ASM, enthusiasm, enthuse, or the Y ending, sleazy, sleaze, or lazy, lace. All right, here are the references where I got the information from. So thank you and have a great night.